Hey guys, hope you guys are doing absolutely awesome. So today I came across, well, not today, I think it was yesterday, 2 days ago, I came across this problem, which is your device is missing important security and quality fixes. And when you try to actually click on update or you click on retry right there, this is an example, right? For my case, it didn't show any kind of like error or any kind of updates. It just tells you your device is missing important updates and security stuff. And even if I click on like updates, it didn't show you what kind of updates. They didn't actually like download anything, so it was so confusing on my side. I did go through like thread, like forum, like YouTube videos, like having the same issues, and none of them actually like helped me. You know, I clean up the cache for Windows Update. I actually like used that services.msc, and it still didn't do it, right? I turn off Windows Update, I turn off like what bit transfer or something, and I tried to update, it still didn't do anything. So I figure out that there must be something faulty with my ISO, or something is just preventing me from like doing any update. So the fix that I actually found is actually pretty simple. You know, I go to Windows official website. What you need is actually the Windows like latest ISO by the by Microsoft, which I go to download Windows 11. I will leave the link in the description down below, so it's easy for you guys to access. So what you need to do is actually pretty simple. You just need to download the ISO, right? As you can see over here, just click this, download Windows. You click here, you click on like Windows 11. It says here Windows 11. Click on download, and then it will tell you to choose region. You just click on English and then click confirm. It should download the ISO, and I'll show you guys real quick a little bit later after you're done. And then it'll say, oh, download Windows 11 64-bit, and then you just click on this, and then it should download straight away. All right, so after you're done downloading, it should be something like this: win11_24h2_english_x64. You double click on it because you want to open it, and then click on open. All right, after you're done, you just click on the setup over here and then run it. So this should open, and then you should just follow through the instruction right here. As you can see, you just click on next. It will check on updates. This is the important part, because your previous Windows just can't look for updates. So this will help you, like help your Windows fix that problem that we're currently having. Then you click on accept. All right, so after a little bit of waiting, this menu will pop up. It says ready to install whatever Windows you were installing. And then it will say, this is the most important part, keep personal files and apps. So I will keep my personal files, but if you guys don't want to, you can just click this thing, and it will tell you whether you can change to not keep all of your personal files and keep it. But yeah, it actually on default just says keep personal files, so that's exactly what you want. Click on install, run it, and after you are done with it, when you load in your Windows, go back to your Windows Update and then click on it. I'm pretty sure it's still gonna be downloading a few updates, but it won't have that error anymore. So yeah, that's about it. So let's go to Windows 10. All right, for Windows 10, it's kind of like the same with Windows 11, but instead of using an ISO, we are gonna be using a program. So click this one, update now. It will tell you to download a program. You click on it, you run it until the end, and it should help you update your Windows 10. Just make sure if it asks you whether to keep your personal files or not, you tick on keep your personal files, because if you're not, then you're going to lose all of them. But if this one doesn't work, go to the bottom one, which is create Windows 10 in social media. This is using an ISO. You stick your USB stick on your computer, and then you install the ISO there, and then you open it. You click on the same thing with Windows 11 that I showed you, and then you run it, and that's about it. You know, just follow through whatever the software tries to actually tells you, and you're good to go. So I hope this video is helpful. If it did help, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and Yeah. Stay awesome and be awesome. Bye bye.